Hey Dons, Mr. Sipple here. I have a video to share with you for how to upload your work to Canvas using your Google Drive on your computer. I have a separate video that will show you how to do this entire process on your phone, but for some people, if they prefer to work on their desktop, because sometimes with the phone it can be it's a small screen, kind of hard to operate or maneuver around. So this video is to show you how to do it on a computer. But let's start with the actual picture itself, and then we'll talk about how to get it up to Canvas. So let's say that I just took the picture of the assignment that I want to upload to Canvas, or the picture of it that I want to upload. And then so I'm going to go to my camera roll, and then I'm going to select the picture that I would like to upload. So that looks good. And then I'm going to tell my phone where to send it. Now, this is where if you've used this before, you maybe text a picture to a friend or family member, or you email an attachment. So you have to kind of scroll through the options here, and you'll notice Google Drive. So you do need to have Google Drive installed on your phone for this to work. So if you don't already have Google Drive, you'll need to go and download it. Now, it is a free app, and just will take a second to do so. So you will need to do that. Got Google Drive already on there, so I'm going to select Google Drive, and then I have two Gmail accounts, but I'm going to pick the one associated with school, so you should do the same as well. And then it's going to ask me select a folder. I don't really have my drive organized. I just kind of dump everything into one place. So I'm just going to select my drive. I'm not really worried about the folder. And then so I'm just going to click Save Here. And then the final part is at the top there, you'll need to click Upload. And then it will begin the process of uploading the picture to Google Drive. Once that screen goes away, that means that it is done and it is now in the cloud. So I'm going to go back to Canvas, and I'm in a geometry class right now, but this would work for any one of your courses. I need to find the assignment that I want to turn in. So let's say, for instance, I was working on week 2 work. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick week 2 work. And then it's going to open up the Google Slides in kind of a preview window here. You can work from this screen. For me personally, it's kind of small to kind of operate it there. So what I want to do is go ahead and just open that up full screen. And then so I'll click the blue link there, and it'll go and open it up full screen. And let's say that was picture of page 5 from the workbook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Insert, and then I'm going to go Image, and then I'm going to go Drive. And then what this will do is this will pull up all of the pictures that are in my drive. What's nice is it does it by what's most recent. So the picture that I just took, for instance, that I just uploaded today now is there. So I'm going to click it, and then I'm just going to drag it over here. And then I can play with it a little bit, just kind of center it, line it up, make sure that it's actually full screen so that I can, both you and your teacher can clearly see it. And that looks good. So I would then repeat the process for all the pages or pictures that I need to submit. And then once I was done with that, what I then would do is that I'm going to go back to, because I haven't submitted anything yet, right? I've uploaded the pictures, but I haven't submitted anything yet. So I would have to come back to here. Now on my teacher view, unfortunately, it doesn't show you, but what you would see as a student right here on the top right here where I've got my mouse, you'll see a link here that says Submit. Once you click Submit, you'll then get a timestamp underneath the assignment right here that gives the day and time. So that way you know for sure that it was submitted to your teacher. If you don't see a timestamp there, that means that it was not submitted. Also, one thing you can do with this is that let's say that you want to come back later, you forgot to maybe upload a picture, or your assignments were incomplete. You can go back here and you can upload more pictures, and then you would come back and then just click Resubmit if there was something that you needed to finish. So again, that was showing how to upload a picture from your phone up to Canvas using your computer. Again, take a look at the other video that shows you how to do it on the phone, and then you can decide what works for you. So hopefully we're trying to give you a couple different ways that you can get this done, and hopefully that was helpful.